The Rich Minds team is happy to welcome you to the world of NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming. The Rich Minds Life Mastery NLP workshops are designed to provide participants with essential knowledge, skills, and presuppositions to become an effective practitioner of NLP. So what can you accomplish by learning NLP techniques? You will get access to the methods and techniques which you can not only use to transform your life, but once you master it, you can help your family members, colleagues, friends, and for that matter, anybody in your life, as you will be equipped to facilitate a shift from unwanted behavior to desired behavior, addictions to freedom, failures to success, lack of wealth to abundance of wealth, bad or moderate health to complete well-being, anger to calmness, average performance to peak performance, fear to relaxation, procrastination to action, sadness to happiness. And guess what? This is just 0.1% of what you can achieve by mastering NLP. So just imagine the magic you can unfold in your life. By the way, NLP was founded in the 1970s by Richard Bandler and John Grinder, and it was a result of their curious mind seeking answers to some simple questions like, why are some people so outstanding? What do they do differently? How do they do it? Is it possible to emulate them and create miracles in our own life? And the answer to these questions led to the creation of NLP, which most of our participants consider as the only user's manual available for human beings. So you might ask, who should do NLP? After conducting numerous NLP workshops at Rich Minds, we can safely say that in our experience, people from all folds of life have tremendously benefited from applying various NLP techniques to their lives. So you may be an entrepreneur, corporate, or HR professional, teacher or parent, health practitioner, sales professional, coach or trainer, or anyone who is committed to his or her personal or professional development. Irrespective of your educational, economical, professional, or cultural background, you can turn around your life the moment you decide to do so. If you're watching this, then you are definitely someone who aspires to create a full life of abundance and possibilities. And you will also agree that aspirations which are not backed by decision and action remains a mere aspiration and later becomes regret. So allow us to present you with an opportunity to fulfill your aspirations through our Life Mastery Neuro Linguistic Programming Workshop. Remember, your one decision can change a day, one day can change a life, and one life can change the world. So please register and join a community which creates and lives in a world abundant with new possibilities and opportunities. We welcome you to the community, which think rich.